Welcome back to Easy Polls. In this demo, we'll guide you through creating star rating and short text surveys directly in Slack, making feedback collection smarter and faster. In our earlier tutorials, we showed how to create single selection surveys for straightforward decision-making and multiple selection surveys to gather flexible feedback. If you missed those, check them out to explore their power. Today, we'll show you how to gather quick ratings with star rating surveys and capture personalized responses with short text questions. Perfect for team feedback, project reviews, or brainstorming sessions. To start, simply type /EasyPolls in Slack and launch the Easy Polls interface. Creating surveys has never been this easy. Add your first question using the star rating option. This type of question is great for getting quick, quantifiable insights. Next, add a short text question to allow your team to share detailed, personalized feedback. This is ideal for brainstorming ideas or gathering specific suggestions. Preview your survey, make any adjustments, and post it to your desired Slack channel. Team members can respond instantly, and you'll see results in real time. View responses as they come in, with real-time updates that make analysis effortless. Easy Polls ensures you get the feedback you need when you need it. This wraps up our demo of star rating and short text surveys. In our next video, we'll show you how to combine all question types into one powerful survey. Don't miss it. Stay tuned for more Easy Polls tutorials to level up your Slack workspace. Found this helpful? Hit the like button, subscribe to our channel, and share your thoughts in the comments.